This FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Kwame, na te saying.
Nyamia don boko na onso
Ai, radia don. Usu di birthday no.
Yeah, papa pebi. And I started reading.
Yes.
Ekoyi mamo, ete saying first day.
Me da se Kwame, men fa we si fu na. Radia don ekoyi. Ekoyi pa. Emo me niam nkiti bo wa. O se e bi tuja. Se de be ya manfo bi hu se o se o mutini no na enye system no enkoyi because everyone kwan Thursday in terms of the equipment they boy to me across the length and breadth of the country they koyi pa because the first phase no 3,500 centers na average na nipa be 80 something near say and 100 cramp near say so mobile register a day. A minimum track all over the country. And I've been omunya average numbers tells you that a publicity education they say be free more we qualified from the register no to make ye pa. Then mumuno adie baako na higher kakra. Obe who say no be a picture no there through social media. Obe shop na nye registration center. Na nipa abodom te e baby no omo share mask no social distancing and so more registration center yes na what say e ban obi friend of fake news dem mum no baby wo ha no more observe the protocols ni ye pa then so nipa de we say bi mu wa obi jira ha no obi jira nten obi jira no obi jira nten ba wo be hu polling station and registration set up no e wo ho ma say eyenya yedim na ya yedim a o se nipa ni observe social distancing no be hu say registration center wona kata de do na okay but o be hu say enchen ho no ma bodom pe mo ho ye ni a emfata we hu say social distancing no mo ndi hu ma sadi we no ye pese Ghana ko nyina say eye mra aba electoral commission so ye tintin so ya yen hihye pa ebema obia hwan no se uba registration center hona ungo ko fa yare bia emfa ento so fa nkwa bonten enko ha we busia ne kwatofo ene mum na edem pa se ye be hu se obi jiro obi njempe aya ka se safety protocols mo fa nje juma Ghana for yesremo mundi safety protocols so maye ene police for no mu boayen e dey enforce stadium no because obi bo wa obi a very pleasant policy and so omo down the firm recalcitrant street access be no na omo mbehwe so ma ade na ye no no mo ye de omo pe ha dwinti ye sesa e be boayen esremo and na face so obi wo ha no we move from one registration center say e be Market Square there was or truly no we moving from home to a different place no truly do because also say team no e be an dream no team member yes remo registration teams no on the cover bia every registration or police station on the co registration and one say we was so better from we announcement no announcement so publicity yeah no radio stations yeah they are to your website or graphic mo or daily guide or papers being pull out yeah your sign circulating widely into opebia on sabeka and our faces so maybe as we throw no yeah they are sorry at date and period registration team no beba will put them on it's more be slow and can say oh na ebia registration no any can say me train na me go any other registration center apart from other than babia e was say me chu me no akwakochu we say na we be man numbers no akohai wo baby ebedu wo ho no o be hwe yi a o hwa na e ho no e swate kra e balance no we don't want huge numbers at registration centers. And I say, so you who say, you must chat a blue, I say, use the blue background. Yeah, a brown sana, yeah, they put a picture no, Abba. And see, once again, the second of what say, we are qualified, who could choose here. Bomodiana say Atari other than blue.
Enti mami en sha tadia e blue.
Because we share camera no say be found no ya we break akra. Nti se be ya we are set different color other than blue no fanko. And I say here when she share ma kwame the was share ma the agent omo amodi 60 years and above. And I feel pim for ni omo afi no ma wo kwala omo mamu. That depend when you no more with them no. She said the man from the 2nd of July. Time I be registration no. Na way district office. But no be because na say be fear thing na met me akwa ya ram sisi. We dey say me any ho. Also so be me akodia and you be me akọ. Na e was say wo kwa 20 from 1A no. And I say so we need Ghana card. And answer when the passport. I was say we need two guarantors. They didn't with your my registration. See, there was almost feelings that guarantors form no. Any from so for one is say to the consumer feeling of a call.
Sylvia. Ohoni chimbium. O say yetimi efele from bay.
From 1A. And say guarantors. They didn't with here. Ube download it from Yankasaya website. www.ec.gov.gh.
Ain't you betting me come website akwa form no I download ya feel
exactly in color
na ya diako
ube feel also bi wo ha officials bi wo ha sabi omuchwe no ya takra wan kasa wo tro wudin na ya eligible fine on the americano now diako wo consider also say and also be oha o de amawa udin no upa chiro no yie se de be ya nipa no be hu ni yie so be obodin na e bia na nipa na ko chiro bi foforo o de make no and no na exhibition ya difficult kakra no nti wo chiro ni yie o paper so how to normal ni sa anyoma no na wo chiro na wo de kwa and no sa no e ma process ni fast.
But Sylvia,
if it's possible,
we beginning one can win him. This is like an afterthought. We I say afterthought to be son because one can win in Sylvia.
But if you are not time now, you can't. So education, you incrementally. You do a start TV. But just say be brain near the count. It's a say crana. What's here? Mufaji and no say would be a wound to be called. Oh, dear Becano.
Download this our form now. Who could do registration center still out here Ghana card no and our passport, right?
Oh yes, of course.
Okay. I just wanted clarity on that one.
Yes, either it was a Ghana card and I say Ghanaian passport. And I quite I feel so ya tete say binomo ya crofo no omu biemu ni wo the fake card Ghana card kwa ombehu na evra you drop it na copy utwa na asemaba because details of Ghana card no bibia ewo system no mo they will be verified. Nti nyadi a obetimi use any card also say the Ghana card no say the ma ye no kra no very tough to replicate it.
There are a few issues. One, baby, moye registration no. Esa say communication and I say the urbanum ko echiri mani pa binom no. Obi wo for example or the incredible basisi say or the petroleum e wa Achimota. Na omo area ho no ya start registration but nkofo bi wo ho a yenye ndro so into beba na omo fi baby fufuro aba so mo be register. How do we deal with that problem?
Kwame no na me di ka me ka kire wo no publicity ni there anko yi anka nipa bebre enko registration center one but at times no yan kasa ni ye decide say ye nim ye but ye nya de except pata e pe say ye just the opposite because ya can say we will go to every registration center. There are street announcements, there are local announcements, there are body rule. Now make us say registration time I ever will be our area no. Maybe I will show you come over. Ukwa etare ho. Say we say you told him from this time to this time. But you hold him yes fata. So be the one in say any person who will be a prano. But obey. Yes, only mrano but obey. So we are intensifying the publicity going forward, you know. So the bear amount for any confused. The generally will be confused here. Any empacho may continue to their money and say if you register at a different location other than where you live, you know, will be better to get challenge you. The challenge you to be in foul card, you know, and farm in threat. Obia nko registration center na police station onim so ya oto abano onko true ni din omunya buche mfama electoral commissioner ya wogana for one adwempa ya yesepa in terms of the safety protocols there. If there are any issues where teething problems kakra yenya we'll rectify all of them and make sure, let's say collectively, no there be a registration amana effect.
You bet me about more district offices, regional offices, so I register, and as a strictly registration centers now.
Kwame, and I'm me teaching will say, Omo Mbeko district offices, Aquacocho, from the 2nd of July to the 6th of August, you know. Omo 60 years and above, you know. Omo qualified. And I feel so, we are no man, so you went them kakrano. And I feel up him for. Any moma nkola mokita nkola nkitingi to moma mwendu funiade dani pano the vulnerable in society as someone would say.
Now would you be able to confirm with me validate your authentication say me say me fi A constituency and B constituency mo be hu
wa be hu ni nyina and then again we have mobile vans going around to complement the work of registration centers, no dem fa na say ebia registration center be wo atimota ho baby na se nipa no edon so kakra ye be from beboa all the American.
Yeah,
every registration center we are supposed to have a nurse and I'm saying a nursing official our obesity temperature at check. So this the positive side Kwame yeah I was here share the positive side maybe be wo wa omo yare ni bia ana bia mo temperature to kwai it be you mo tin say e sha who say bia na yare bi na ha omo na bi sa. So it's a way of even screening society. Oh so the be ya yare bi wo be bi na e se de bia e bi hu say na ya nipa no enya ayabesa. So publicity ne there akoye pa Kwame, people are eager to register, even in the
yes, people are eager to register, but there are also teething problems, as you said. Basically, nipa be share their name specific areas on register. I'm sure you know that. Send mind phase 1, phase 2, phase. Obi o nim say phase 1 how do we go? Solve that problem? You better than that. Sadi and aswano.
I mean, I make sense. Say, you're publishing widely, but then again. For example, me who time I remember me registration center. I just take a stroll to my registration center, na police station, Benjamin Twabano. The time is there. The time registration center team no, there was some mobile on na. Bibia Tareo. If you who say this is the period that there was some way into a ebia for lack of ebia network cannot be so to me a friend saying phase 1 no movement plan one but we are going to intensify the publicity. We are going to intensify
estimation be also you better register nipa 16 million no cray
15 about 15 million about
15 and now 16 which is which
Kwame, about 15 to 16 million, about 15
to 16 million.
About today,
approximation. 38 days, so you bet me the
Oh, Kwame, we are decentralized. It's bet me be paying. In 2012, no, be paying. And we have even upon the modality. Oh, to say your mobile teams are echo round. You were in the midst of the pandemic. Each registration center, the cap is about 850, and we use registration now. Very mobile, then mobile no. It will take care of those who, for one reason or the other, want me and true, you know. It will take care of them. You know, we hope and believe say for each registration center, there are 6 days in there. That is TBR. You have the right to register, but you have a responsibility as a citizen to move to your registration center to register.
Quick one.
The best record for.
Maybe the same way, but Obi Asadi Abenti maybe Sebium. This issue about you can download the form. Our website now we're filling out their call. Ain't saying you better download it. I didn't think you register online.
Oh, Kwame. It has to pass with this assassin way. The level of transparency and warrior system no any yamra you was seeing Makwain sir. I was saying who be if anything feeling gadochios. The law does not allow. Then remember that there are systems in the sense that there are party agents at each registration center, so that if you are able to get there and you don't qualify, when the 18 years and above and of sound mind, when you Ghana ni mapa, and I say you don't live in that particular area now, someone can challenge you and challenge you. Say, want to be a register. You can go through the system, all right, to be able to register, but your card will not be given to you. Not just say until after the district registration review committee has cleared you. You know, there are systems in place. The law does not allow for that.
Great. Thank you for the clarification. Now, and then day 2 of 38. Now, teething problems. Well, bro, for you, they start here and run. Equipment ni be though very few. No, now Fort Kakao. Baby, so you reported late start. And no easy more some more here. Baby, so about poor social distancing protocols near there. Day 2 going forward. Sanya mami say my bobo sui. Pacho, I didn't number phone.
That's Kwame. Let's start with the you are dealing with so many registration centers. Now, some are climatic conditions. If you are not accident, this will be able to be any registration from 7 to 6. But a yapa say a bit this one, this is 7, and not just say why you ready that other 7 was starting. Yet 30 say MC legal no baby registration center be will be or wind it up. Until the panic now or no. Or catch and say on to me and registration of Amano. We take exception to that. Will be Biara who be Bisano, the Sermo, Mumaya so empty. Now we'll deal with the recalcitrant officials and per se or higher. And I say regarding poor social distancing, higher power because now, if we hope and pray, say Ghana for Betty, said the deep Maranoso, we are bringing in the police to assist, to enforce social distancing. Juma, they didn't say Ghana for a deal winning into a threat. Ya not near Payamukakra. Yaria or Yaria so any penny near Pala. Any modishi or this year. Yes, social distance. No, my anyone say a police and Ghana registration center no a peace ni sanity. About Yendi super. Now day 2. We hope say the Hoon and run ye Hoon in there. Now the Behun so we hope to improve upon it going forward.
Ghana for Masuma. So we are bibi ohobia be pese obeka. It's answer questions dey bebre aba. One here obi gina phone so ma de achi. Is there anything else you may want to add? Me sure as the days go by, other issues we'll tackle, but bibi ohobia be the back on.
Fake news no. Omo a otu ha no watch a picture. The registration say no be a video. The registration let the problems be natural problems and not based on fabrication. And I say so omo dream say omo be hard dream in terms of violence near the no. Now registration no you need a post for na edin kita ho. Wo koye sabi akakabi sama omo mi tu omo no be shia omo ha wa dream. It's a rano ni betwa so. Mo bia koye sabi akakabi nsem bia we registration center. Let peace prevail. Yendi mrano so ukwa the line mo wo penia manokwan no ndi weni opinfo manokwan opinfo papa wo kwame manokwan no ndi weni no nko chiri mi din no na peace and prevailing bibibio mo wa e be sa bebio
answer na bibibio be sa bebio no we dey bibibio ayen chenchen is on a very light note obi si minchia anope na menkai wo say within here Sylvia Adawa Crab ano.
Sylvia na Adawa Crab ano.
Na Adawa Crab ano.
Ano.
Or semenkai we.
Me busuafo no. Crab fo no. Se me ya crab.
Okay. Or semenkai we say.
Ichia wo nyina.
We girls prefect or Ebenezer Secondary School, not your boys prefect. Not your boys prefect. Your friend.
Oh, okay. I'm a matter.
Very good. Matters in Ama Matters.
In your bed.
Interesting in Chiano Pena. Menkai say Padua no continues. Into over to you. Have a beautiful day, Sylvia. That's Chiano Payne.
Thank you. Thank you, Kwame.
Time check on peace.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.